wants to share the water with a 3-meter leopard seal. But regardless of the danger, the penguin's need to feed is great. Gentoos are the world's fastest penguins. If they can avoid being ambushed, they have a chance. But in the confusion, a chick becomes separated. It's now one-on-one. The penguin's only hope is to rely on its great agility and stamina. So the longer the chase, the better its chances. This very lucky young penguin can now join the others. And the open ocean awaits.